So I have a good news and a bad news. The good news is that I have a new screen on my right, but I could not configure it in time. I don't have much time. Let's do the analysis first, then I will talk about what went wrong. Oh, I don't want to be late again. I hope we pass the challenge today. If I pass the challenge in this session, then I won't trade the next session. I will take a rest and come back tomorrow. And daily, 1, 2, 3 red candles. It is around its opening price. Nothing much. It can. So looks bullish. It's going nowhere in 4 hour. 1 hour. Is there any news? Not now. After 1 hour. GBP looks bullish. This would have swept few, taken some SLs. 15 minute. It's in the sideways. It's not great. It's a little choppy. This and this reaction candle. So it can be a volatile market. And that is not good because we will hit SLs. It looks bullish. There is a red candle about to form. I will do the analysis, then talk about other stuff. So we have a 15-minute swing. That is also a 5-minute swing. Good. And that is also great because this might look like manipulation, and after this breakout the manipulation will be complete and we can take a buy. So we are bullish. I'll confirm my analysis. I don't have much time. I'm doing it a little fast. 3-minute breakout structure. Keep it simple. Euro in daily, it's bullish. Oh, it's a little, both move in cynic, but Euro is very bullish and GBP is at the same place. So we prefer trading Euro. There's a W pattern in 4 hour. 1 hour great, gave a breakout structure. That is the order block. If there is a big candle in a new session, then it would be great. 15-minute, great. We have a fair value gap. So bullish in, I would prefer to trade Euro because it is more clean. 15 FVG retest plus 1 minute breakout structure. The FVG, this is 15-minute order block. This was a good displacement. This is a good retracement, and it can continue higher. AUD. Bearish in 4 hour. There is a 4 hour fair value gap. This is a big wick. Looks like it can be a reversal, but you can see that fair value gap, normal candle, a big displacement, then a standard candle. So it can come into this fair value gap and continue for the downside. It has already, no, it hasn't tapped. This is IFVG. This is a good sign for a bullishness, but 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour is bullish. This is a big displacement. It can retrace 50% of this move. It has already, and now it can continue for the downside. Let's see what the lower time frame says. It has given a breakout structure in 15 minutes. The displacement is good. It is in the 15-minute order block. This is good because it is in the 15-minute order block and it is manipulating in 5 minutes. So if we have to take a buy, it would be above this swing. Same as Euro, AUD, 3-minute breakout structure, and we will go 2/3 of the quantity because it is little confusing. 4 hour is bearish. 2/3 quantity. We will mark the 4 hour fair value gap because that's where from where it is at 0.62 level. We will remember this level. It can come here, then it can reverse, so we need to be cautious about that. AUD daily. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. This was a good displacement. It came in the order block. Now it can continue for the higher side. 1 hour is not that great. We have a the selling pressure was there and the recovery is not that fast. I'll mark the order block. This is, if it comes into this, then it's a good buy, but we need at least a 3 minute breakout. So let's see in the lower time frame. It might not come, but if it does, then we are bullish in JPY. 1 hour FVG and 3 minute breakout structure, because this displacement is something, but in 15 minutes there are good displacement. So 3 minute or 1 minute, let's see, 1 minute or 3 minute breakout structure. Then 5 minutes, this is good. It can close below this low, making a lower low, and that is a good manipulation. We will have a good swing in 5 minutes, and also in 3 minutes. Let it come, then we will have a swing to trade. We have already have a swing over here. In 3 minutes, we will trade in 3 minutes. Now the gold. Okay, so relax. Now I can relax. The last pair. The problem is I got a new screen. I didn't configure it before, so I tried connecting it, but then the audio didn't wasn't there. Just like yesterday, I recorded a 50-minute videos, but there was no audio. I posted it even though, but I think the YouTube might have deleted that video, but it is there. I don't know. That's why I will in the evening session I will understand how to configure this so I can have the audio. Gold. Gold is bullish. There is a fair value gap that can act as a magnet in daily. It is good. 4 hour is very bullish. This is good. We need only $60-70 to pass the account. If I pass it now, then I can rest in the evening session. Yesterday, man, you don't have the video, but yesterday was brutal. We were right about most of the thing, but the market, the bad luck was on our side. I don't blame the market, but bad luck was on our side. It is already in 1 hour fair value gap. Already made a 15-minute breakout structure. That is already, it's good, it's good, it's bullish. JPY also bullish. That is not a good sign, but let's see. We still have 5 minutes. We will check again. Gold, we are bullish. We have a, it is already in the, if there is a fair, okay, it says in the fair value gap of 15 minute and 5 minute. Okay, this is creating an IFVG. That is not a problem. It is like a manipulation. This is a 5 minute order block. 5 order block. If it creates a IFVG, then I might wait for it to be invalid, because it can come into this order block, make a 1 minute breakout structure, then come into this fair value gap and continue lower. That is a problem. If I want confirmation, then I want this to be get invalid. That will happen once it cross gives a doesn't retrace in the zone. Okay, so what does the 3, in that case I will wait for 3 minute breakout structure, not 1 minute. I know most likely it will just come here before giving a 3 minute breakout structure. I will enter somewhere around here above the zone. Okay, so we are done with the analysis. I wish if I start the screen, then the audio will be gone. So I will have to put three screens, even though I don't have one, two, but we don't have a choice for the moment. I was trying to configure it, but I didn't have much time, so I thought let's go with the screen and we'll do it later. Oh, and that's why you can see the background has changed because now I have the screen, so I'm putting it on a table so I could use it properly. Okay, Chiro is acting weird. We still have 3 minutes. Let's go through our plan. GBP 1 hour. That's good. Not bad. I need a 3 minute break of structure because it can create a fair value gap. Then it's not good. This is good. People can enter over here and they can be displaced. They can be manipulated. That's good. It is already moving. Closer about this. If it closes before the session opens, then I want a retracement before I enter in 1 minute. And euro, same. Euro has retraced a little more than GBP, so I'm not sure. That is a very big wick, and it must have come into the 4 hour fair value. Okay, 15 minute FVG doesn't look good. I'll have to wait. I have to wait for at least 3 minute break of structure. There is a time. So our main focus is gold. Okay, AUD is good. JPY 1 hour fair value gap didn't come into the 1 hour fair value gap. That's fine. That's not an issue. If it's okay, so it can give a break of structure in 15 minutes. We have 30 seconds before the session opens. I'm double checking because I analyzed in a haste, which is which has always done bad. So what I want is 3 minute. Okay, so we have a 3 minute fair value gap. So I want it to come into 3 minute fair value gap and give a 1 minute break of structure. It can go without me. That's a thing I'm worried about, but I don't want to rush already how much I am rushing. 3 minute FEG plus 1 minute BOS, or if I see a strong candle, like oops, the session is open. Gold is here. We are bullish. We need a 3 minute break of structure in gold. JPY and GBP. GBP we need 3 minute of structure. We'll get a trade in GBP. We can enter right away, but I'll wait. Okay, JPY is good. It's tracing, that's good. JPY. I can enter in GBP. This is okay. I will enter in GBP. It's a strong candle. Let it close. Uh, this is good enough. 1 minute break of structure, and I and gold will take time. So let's check other pair. I might have done early entry. What about euro? Okay, I should have entered over this breakout, but now I'll wait. If there is a retracement, let it come to this fair value gap. And euro, I need a 3-minute break of structure at least. This was a little early entry in GBP, but fine. JPY. Psychologically, I don't think I'm at the right place right now. I'm in a rush, which can really backfire. You should not be in a rush, but I've been here before. When you are in a rush, you get a FOMO, and that causes money. It might happen again. GPU 3 minute, 1 minute. So the entry is not bad, but I can feel a sense of hurry in me. It has swept this low, so I need a 3 minute break of structure. This is also good, but I won't enter in this one. I need at least 2 minute break of structure. EUR is looking good. It's in a 2 minute fair value gap. I might enter in EUR once it gives a strong candle for upside or a 3 minute break of structure as planned. I will go half. The sell off looks bad. EUR. I can't. Then in 2 minutes, it's in a 2 minute fair value gap. In 3 minutes, if closes above this swing, then I can enter, but doesn't look good. Now that after this big of a candle. Okay, Let's see. We won't trade AUD. It is very negative. We might hit SL in GBP. Okay, this is looking good. The last pair that we have is gold. That is also looking bearish. The same pattern that I like to trade, but it's against our view, which is, see, when you are bullish in this pair, then other pairs fall. So we are not in proper equilibrium. Our analysis is not that high probability. Where in 30 minutes, this candle, which I always talk about, this candle is a wick. It didn't take out, but yeah, you can see this is a wick, and the next candle is bearish, and this zone has been broken down, so it can come to this levels. We won't trade because that was not our analysis. I think this is the two trades for the day. Still, what about euro? I won't trade. I don't want to trade euro because this has given this big of a breakdown. If it sweeps this low, breaks out, then let's see. This too should be enough if I have to make profit. Let's see. Don't rush your trades. Only GP. Okay, almost there. RSL is about to hit. It's somewhere around. It's below the swing. Not yet. It will hit the SL. Yeah, it's almost missed. Let's see. There is. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I checked my stats and I saw that I have a winning streak of 4 days, which has never happened. So there is a very high chance today we will lose money. We are following our plan, so I'm trading this session. Otherwise, my maximum winning streak was 3 days, and now it's 4 days. We don't have enough data to prove that 4 days is too much. We might still get a winning day. This works out. The balance is 430. This might hit SL, then 410. I will need $90 to pass the account if this hits SL. Is there any swing I can target so I can clear the account? Okay, we have a swing. This will hit SL. GPY looks good. It was in this. Yeah, let me try it. You can see this. This is not exactly, but it's in a way the higher and lower time frame having the same chart pattern. In a way, if I would want to target The right target, okay, we got stopped out, will be, yes, that's a good target. This swing is a good target. I might hold my trade because I want to pass this account in this today, right now. So our balance is 410 and we got swept. So no use for you. What about gold? I can still trade gold. Gold doesn't look good. So you can see we were wrong about the direction. We were wrong about these first three pairs for the upside, which should have been downside. So it's not our session, but in a way, this can cover everything. One trade. I won't take any more trades. Two trades are good enough. This has already displaced so much, so now there is no reason to enter. And same goes for AUD. It has also displaced this much, even if it goes, but that's no reason to enter. And Euro same. After this much displacement, I don't think it will come up. There is no reason to trade what you have not planned. Our only trade that can work is this one. Our balance is 410. We need $90, which is 1 is to 3.57. I might target 1 is to 3.7. This is a good target, this level. Let's first come to these highs. Problem is it didn't tap into this 3-minute fair value gap. So we might get swept and then it can continue like the last time. We need a strong candle. This is not a bad trade. It's in harmony. The higher time frame is had that W pattern and you can see it in the lower time frame. So this is also very, to be honest, this is a very good trade because this is in 3 minutes and you can go into 1 minute. You will see the same thing right now happening. Now it was in a smaller range in smaller time frame. This and it can continue. So we have all the time frame. This I believe from here it will just go up. And this pattern again in 1 minute. 1 minute is not a great time frame to look at it, but you can see the same pattern. The candle with a big wick inverted hammer. The next candle swept that high. So that gives a confirmation that yes, this might. And the thing it can actually go to those highs. 75, then I will need 75, 85, 15 more dollars. So I might hold my trade past the face. It looks good. It looks good. It can easily give that fair weather this Fibonacci level of this swing. See, like the harmony, we draw the lows and highs, and it comes exactly to that swing. So it gives the proof that yes, there is a good possibility it will go to that level. This is nice. Like this was a big cup and handle. You can say this was a cup. This is the small handle. Now it needs to give a breakout. And as per the cup handle, you know that it moves this much, which is 1 is to 3. No, it's not. It gave the breakout. You can see it closed above the swing. So this is a good trade. If this one hit, this will then This one is a good SL. And about uh, GBP, this is not that great. You can see in the 3 minute, it came into 3 minute order block, then fell. So yes, I was hasty. What was my plan? Was it to be 3 minute or 1 minute was also fine? 3 minute break of structure. So you can say I didn't follow my plan and entered in 1 minute. Otherwise, we would have saved money. That's why I don't like to rush. When I'm not as peace, then shit like this happens. But no, no worries. You cannot win all day. You cannot be perfect all days. Some days you will fuck up, and that's fine. Own your mistakes and don't repeat it again and again very often. So nothing to do, just to. This one is the winner for the day. This is a great trade. This is a good entry. It's a high probability trade, and we'll target that swing. Just don't. I hope I don't regret targeting more. But why to wait for $15 and then I will have to trade one more session. I want this to be the one because I need a rest. Doing YouTube and trading same. I've never done this before, so it is a bit exhausting. I wait for weekends to play games, to watch movies. This is body to body. If we draw week to week, then target is even bigger. I don't. Okay, so you can see in the 1 hour also, this was the inverted hammer. The next candle didn't took that high. That would have been amazing, but eventually it did. So this is a good sign. And the bad sign is that 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth green candle. That's one bad sign. Uh, but it is usual. You can see over here 1, 2, 3, 4 green candle. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and now 5 green candle at once. Two green candle, three green candles. Three. This one is just not a green candle, and four green candle, and now five green candle. Harmony of the market. Okay. So now it's moving. Let me set the take profit. I haven't at $90, 91 just to be safe. I like the displacement. I will show you my recorded video that I. This one is of just no audio over here. This is the video.
Welcome
I
back,
don't know if
everyone.
this is working.
Next,
And YouTube might have deleted it for some reason. I don't know if it's on there. So this is the video, and yesterday I made $20. Let me show you the end screen. You can see the balance. JPY was the winner. Maybe yes, yeah, JPY was the winner. No, yeah, it was the winner, but I ended the stream because it would have taken longer. So you can check yesterday. It went for the take profit yesterday, and the losers were saying it's hanging. So yeah, yesterday this was the trades. We made $20 yesterday. I like the displacement. It can retest. I won't trail. Yeah, last time, yesterday, yeah, yesterday or day before yesterday, I trailed, and then it swept and continued. That was the news, so that was an exceptional. But I'll wait. Okay, so we have the fair value gap, so I should trail. Let me trail. It's not, it's not big of a trail. Worst case scenario, we will lose 20 in this trade. Let me check the target. 5722. 5722. So my target is over here. Good displacement. Okay, it can easily come for this wick. Or it might have just swept and fall. Let's see what happens. It's a strong candle. If it makes the inverted hammer, then yes, it can be a sweep, but we won't exit if it makes the inverted hammer, because that's what the manipulation is. If it makes an inverted hammer, the next candle can continue. And once it breaks this high, then this is the obvious target, and we will pass the account. You have to sharpen your mind also, so you should read as well. I don't want to make any cutscenes, so let it run and you can watch once it's a take profit. Till then, I will read a little bit. Some patients showed no change in personality after surgery. In most cases, a person who had a conspicuously ugly face or some freakish features corrected by surgery experienced an almost immediate, usually within 21 days, rise in self-esteem, self-confidence. But in some cases, the patient continued to feel inadequate and experience feelings of inferiority. In short, these failures continued to feel, act, and behave just as if they still had an ugly face. This indicates to me that reconstruction of the physical image itself was not the real key to changes in personality. There was something else, which was usually influenced by facial surgery, but sometimes not. When this something else was reconstructed, the person himself changed. When this something else was not reconstructed, the person himself remained the same altogether. His physical features might be radically different. This is about how a person's perspective of himself can make a lot of difference. This book was written by a surgeon, Maxwell Maltz, which talks about how a person's self image, if you believe a scar on your face would make you look cool, then it will make you look cool. Why? Because that scar, you own it, and your self esteem increases because of that scar. And if we remove the scar and you believe that was a bad thing, then it will have a bad impact. Okay, so the balance is 70, $30 more. Come on. I like the displacement. So yeah, this time I won't exit. Usually I don't hold a trade because in this straight move it can retrace up to here, then hit the take profit. But I want to clear it this time. It is very obvious. I hope I don't regret if it. I won't. This is my plan and I am following it. So if it reverses after giving 1:3, then that's it. No problem. Usually it also reverses from this level, so I'm a little worried that it can reverse from this. So before sweeping the highs, because the highs are the obvious target for everyone, but sometimes it reverses from this. So that is exceptional cases. Our balance 730, 770, 75. We need, come on, just 25 more and we will pass the account and I can rest for one session. Come on, okay, okay. They say as a professional trader, you should not get happy about your wins or sad about your losses. You should have a neutral mind. You should have neutral emotions for profit and loss. But that's very true. But I like to enjoy my wins. So this hits TP, you will see me going crazy because I believe you should celebrate your wins. That's what makes it memorable. Come on, $25 more and I can rest. If it gives a 3 minute break of structure, then I will exit with whatever I get, even $30, $50. I will trade it to break even at least. You get the deja vu. Come on, 25 more. And will pass the account. We will pass the account now. We have already faced one failure yesterday when we missed our passing the account because of $4. I hope that doesn't happen today. We want 20 more. Okay, I like the candle. I like this candle. The problem is this is a very usual thing. It can retrace somewhere around here and then hit TP. I don't like that because most of the time it also continues. Then you would have reached this small profit and you will lose this much. Let's see, 1 to 3 almost achieved. Come on, $20, 80. It can reverse from here. It can give a big refreshment. Anything can happen. The moments like this are very pressure. You have the pressure because you're so close and it's not the usual day, it's a different day because it's a day of conclusion. Either you'll pass it today in this session or maybe next. We will pass it next if we don't pass in this one, but well, actually it didn't touch our take profit, so far it's good. Yeah, it can give a big candle retracement showing that it's going down, then it can continue. Let me check the 15-minute zone. Okay, so this is the zone. Retracement breakout. Oh, this I forgot. I would have exited over here this candle. If usually I trail very tight, but I will wait for 3-minute break of structure and I will exit. This is I will trail it, so I don't lose everything. It technically didn't touch our 1 second. Was 1:3, so we haven't broke any rules so far. My trailing is somewhere around this 27, 560, 550. Okay, so I like this scale. Come on, you are right. Okay, that's a good candle. I'm gonna trade it really tight from here because it's in the fair value gap. It can continue. If just sweep the high, man. Just sweep the daily high. 20 more, 20, $30. So I will trail it at least half of the move. So my trailing is around here. It broke this swing, so it can retest and continue. But that's my trailing. I will at least make $10. The worst case scenario. I don't wanna lose $65. Make 65 in M2M and then lose everything. This is my trailing. Well, it didn't touch 75, so 1 is to 3 was over here. So in a way, we didn't break any rules so far. M to M didn't reach 1 is to 3, so that's fine. 5-minute FVG and 1-minute breakup structure, so we can trail even closer. I will trail it to 600 once it gives a 1-minute breakup structure. So we won't lose money. We will make at least $10 in this trade. Not 10, but $7-8. Nice. I like that. I will trail it to 600 because if it breaks now, then looks like that was. So my trailing is around 608 over here. So if it hits trailing SL, then we will only have to make 1% in the evening session, which is so far looks very easy for. And once if we end the day in profit, then that would be a great thing because we have already a 4-day winning streak. So a fifth day winning streak sounds amazing. Might get stopped out. That's fine. We'll only have to make 1%, so it's fine. We are trading at a good place. It's a little tight, but times like this, you have to be also listen to your heart. Again, a breakdown. I still, it will go till these highs, but the retracement, I don't know how much it will retrace. Might 50% of this trend, then continue. But if that's something I don't like to do, is to trail at the don't trail at all because there is always a chance that it will retrace 50% and still go lower. Then your M2M was $70 and now you are in loss. That doesn't make sense. If your M2M is 1%, 2% plus, so you should take at least something out of that in your pocket, even a little bit. If it's 1%, then take at least 0.1% or break even. Don't lose money. You can't lose money after you have your M2M reached 1 or 2% in profit. Good. Almost gave a break of structure. Next candle, I can. I won't trail anymore. I can trail to a little closer. Let's see. Okay. My trading is at 613. Oh dear. So we have the 1 minute break of structure, and it should. Okay. It's a good candle. Good wick. Next candle taking this high. That would be nice. Looks like it will. It should take this high. This candle. If it does not, then doesn't look like we will. Oh, there was a spike. Looks good. This candle had no wick, so if it takes out that low, which it will, looks like, then we exited at a good level. At 43, it will close around 43. My trading is at 43 and 2. Okay, so we'll have to trade one more session to make money. We have to make 1 more %, and in next session we will make 1 more %. M2M never reached 1:3, so technically we didn't break any rules. So thank you for watching, and our balance is 452. Just 1 more %, and we'll clear the step 1. Thank you for watching. Bye.